Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong tutorial. And this tutorial is mag-verify tayo ng ating Shopee account. So bakit kailangan natin i-verify ang ating Shopee accounts? Kasi kapag verify ang ating Shopee accounts, pwede tayo magpasa ng mga amount. Halimbawa, naglagay tayo sa ating Shopee Pay ng 5,000 or naglagay tayo doon. Tapos bigla na lang nagbago yung isip natin na hindi na pala tayo mag-shopping. So nakastock lang yung 5,000 sa ating Shopee Pay. Kung verify yon, pwede mong i-withdraw yon or ilipat sa ibang Shopee accounts. Kaya importante guys na ma-verify ang ating Shopee account. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, let's now go to our recorder and open lang natin yung ating Shopee app. And then, punta tayo dito sa Me. And makikita natin dito guys yung ating Shopee Pay. So, click lang natin yung ating Shopee Pay. Ayan. And then, makikita natin dito yung top up, scan, pay, transfer, withdrawal, and request. So, as you can see guys, kapag click ko yung transfer, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-transfer ng pera. Halimbawa, gusto nating pasahan yung ating kapatid or nanay natin ang ating pera. Kung bari meron tayong laman na 1,000 and gusto nating magpasa ng 500 sa ating kaibigan, kapatid o kamag-anak. So, hindi tayo makakapagpasa kasi hindi pa nga verify yung ating account. So, what we're going to do now is mag-verify nga tayo ng ating account and click lang natin tong transfer and then click lang natin tong verify. So, ang gagawin lang natin guys is fill up lang natin tong mga nandito like full name, first name, middle name, last name, place of birth, date of birth, municipality, barangay, kung saan ka nakatira, zip code, country. So, fill up lang natin muna natin siya guys. And after natin guys ma-fill up yung form, click lang natin yung next. And dito naman guys makikita natin yung ating nationality, source of fund natin, kung allowance, business deposits, employment, yan. So, pili lang tayo ng ating source of funds and nature of work. Ayan, kung unemployed ka, kung ikaw by IT, media or journalism, so lagay mo lang dyan. And then ID type natin, so meron dyang passport, driver's license, NBI, UMID ID, SSS, and PRC. So ang gagamitin ko na ID sa akin is itong Unified Multipurpose ID. So isang ID lang naman yung kailangan natin. And then after nyan guys, lagay nyo lang dito yung ID number nyo and then pipicturean nyo lang dito yung front ng inyong ID, and of course kailangan nyo ng picture taking, kailangan nyo mag-picture na inyong sarili dito sa take a photo. And then after nyan guys, kapag tapos na, pwede nyo nang i-click yung itong dalawang box na yan, pwede nyo siyang checkan and then confirm. So fill up muna ako guys, tapusin ko lang yung aking pag-fill up. Kailangan pa rin pala nating magsagot ng mga questionnaire dito. Have you your immediate family members or closer? No. Government's executive arm, no din. Then government legislative, no din. No. No. Then after nyan guys, submit natin. So ayan guys, kailangan pa rin pala nating mag-answer dito sa politically exposed person. Then after natin guys, tapos na tayo mag-fill up, then click lang natin tong confirm. And that's it guys. So tapos na tayong mag-fill up ng ating information, mga name, place of birth, date of birth, present address, permanent address, nationality, source of funds, company name, ID type, ID number, and ayan guys. So after nyan guys, after nyong ma-double check yung inyong info, pwede nyo nang i-click tong confirm. So, lalabas dyan guys, we are verifying your ID. The process can take up to 24 hours. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Then, click lang natin tong okay. So, ayan guys, information submitted na siya and wait lang natin siya for 24 hours. So, ayan guys, ganun lang kadali mag-verify ng ating Shopee Pay accounts. So there you go guys. Again, thank you for watching my video and see you again in my next video. Bye!